Okay, welcome back. We've just towel dried and we've just washed with the Keratin shampoo and conditioner, giving it a good comb through. What I'm now going to show you, again, I don't know if you can see the shine that's already on there, but what I'm now going to show you is, particularly with chemically treated hair, what a lovely product is the Keratin, the Miracle Treatment. And this is actually a cream. And again, when we were given the samples, sort of, we were able to basically sort of have it as a cream. And then what we're able to then do is we can spray it. And it's a great way to distribute very evenly through the hair. Like that. So I'm just going to concentrate on the mid-lengths and the ends. And I'm going to put about 6 sprays on. So hold it about sort of 30 centimetres away from the head. And then just a sharp spray. 2. Lift up, 3, 4, 5, 1 for luck, 6. And it just combs through lovely and easily. You can see those top layers where they've really had a battering from the summer and some chemistry there. And we're evenly distributed. Okay, this is the Keratin 10 Straight Styler. It's a leave-in spray, and this will just help to prevent any heat damage from any styling tools, hairdryer, hot heat, and with the styling straighteners, which are pretty much now everyone uses at home. So I'm going to use this on this chemically treated hair. I'm going to use it quite liberally. I'm probably going to use 6 to 7 pumps. So I'm just going to concentrate on the mid-lengths and the ends, again, where we're going to be using excessive heat and obviously for styling afterwards. So it's very easy to use, such a simple product. Just spray on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll do 1 for luck, just on those ends where we know we're going to give it 4 later. There we are, 7. So we've just sprayed and coated the hair with the Straight Styler. Again, this is going to sort of just protect the hair from any future damage that we're going to potentially do with a hairdryer. And now I'm just going to quickly dry off, and then you'll be able to see the shine on the hair. I'm really conscious that I'm not using too much heat here, because you want to get the hair fairly dry without damaging it. So what the protectors spray has allowed us to do is give us a lovely, lovely shine, and it's also protected the hair, ready for straightening in a few minutes. And it's completely weightless, so it allows the hair to sort of have a bit of movement, particularly with sort of some of the styles around today where, we put curlers in and we use different products to achieve slightly different sort of more textures, and you're not going to be interfering with the condition of the hair at all. So we've just used the Keratin 10 shampoo, conditioner, Miracle Treatment and Heat Protector Styler. How's your hair feeling?
It feels amazing. It's really lightweight, and I feel like nothing's on it. It just feels really smooth and silky.